Sometimes you just want the text to look the same as something else without having to use the Styles feature in Scrivener 3 for Windows. How do you do that? If you want to copy the style of some text you've already created and add it to another section of text, you can do that with a simple command. First, you need to highlight the text style you want to copy. Then press Shift, Alt, Win and C. Don't press Win first. You'll likely get the Start menu pop up on screen. Now go to the text you want to add the style to, highlight it, and press Shift, Alt, Win and V. Of course, when doing this, it's important to remember that not all changes like this will be reflected in your final compiled file, unless you're compiling as is. Next time we'll be talking about page view.